Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go through recent purchases that I got from the charity shop. This is just from one. I usually go around the charity shops once a month. I don't really go around them too much because they usually don't. If I go around them too often, there's just nothing really there worth me going up there for, and it's quite a long walk, so I just do it once a month and let things accumulate there and then go and scoop them all up. Anyway, so the first thing I've got to show you is this Milfori glass beaded necklace, which obviously I've got a thing about these glass beaded necklaces at the moment, but look at these beads. It's very pretty. I love the colours. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but this is a very pretty necklace, and then it's got a little drop on it, so it's really nice. Let me just put it out for you. Look at that, splendid. And I paid, I think £7.50 for it. It's got like £2.50, £7.50. I think it was £7.50 I paid for it. But what I find, this is gorgeous. I mean, the clasp is a bit worn, but other than that, very nice. Then we got, I got quite a few cufflinks, only because they were like cheap, and I liked them. Like these vintage cufflinks, look at those cameo ones. I just really like these. You know, I know they're nothing amazing, but I like the fact that they've got the two on each side. I think they look really nice on. So yeah, love those. So that's those. And then we've got more cufflinks. These are pretty as well. Look at the pink in there. Pink. Very smart. Yeah, I like those. And it's a bit of a cufflink month recently. I've had loads of cufflinks. If you've been watching my videos, you'll know. These are just basic cufflinks. They were cheap. Just grab them. See if I can find them at home. Then I got this sterling silver gate bracelet, but I think it's a child's one. I'm not sure. Maybe not, I don't know, but it's quite small, but I grabbed it anyway. It was £15. I liked it. I do like gate bracelets. £15. Yeah. So I actually bought this to keep, but I'm in two minds. I might actually sell this, I'm not sure. But anyway, that's that. I will decide what to do with it. And then we got this necklace. I mean, I paid up for this necklace only because it's signed. I can't remember what it's signed with, but it's nothing. I thought this might be rolled gold on here. I can't remember what it's signed with. I didn't even make any notes. Now I have to look at it again, but it's a sweet little pendant. I don't think this is rolled gold, but it is signed. I can't remember what this is, but I got it anyway. Is it signed on the pendant? Can't remember, but I can't remember if I looked into this. But yeah, I paid £3 for that. Not sure it was worth £3 to be honest with you. I don't know. It's a pretty little necklace. Hopefully I can get my money back on it. This one, I wanted to see if this pendant was silver or not, but it's not. But anyway, it's a nice little pendant. But it's not silver. And it's just got a normal chain on it. So yeah, that is that. I think I paid £3 for that as well, which I don't know why I picked those two up, but hopefully, like I said, I can get my money back. And then I got this bracelet. I got this for the beads, these 3 beads here. I do like picking up, if they've got like some nice unusual beads on, I'll pick them up. So these are glass beads, and yeah, so I'm going to use the beads from this. And then I paid £2 for that. So yep, And then this was a nice little find. I like this. Is going in my Etsy shop. It's a vintage porcelain necklace. It's really heavy. Well, it's not really, it is quite heavy, obviously, because it's made out of porcelain. But look at that, it's so nice. Reminds me of sweets, you know, like peppermint sweets. But I just like the whole feel of it, the make of it. It's really well made. And it was just hanging up. Where's the price on it? I only paid a couple of pounds for this. £3 at the most, at the very most. It was just hanging up. So I picked that up for my Etsy shop. I thought that was a nice find. Put that on that side. I thought that was a nice little find, that was. And then we got this silver tone necklace. I just liked, it's a bit worn, but I just picked it up. I'm just gonna probably add it to, I might sell this separately. And these are clean. I think this can be cleaned up. It's a bit worn, but I just liked it. It's just a chunky silver tone necklace that I think I can probably, I paid about £2 for it. Yeah, £2. I think I can get that up to scratch and sell it. It won't sell for much, but I think, you know, I just thought I'd rescue it from the charity shop, and then I'll probably, you know, try and make about £3 on it. Also, see how it cleans up first. And then I got the last purchase is these. Look at these vintage cufflinks. I saw them sitting there. I was like, I have to have them because they've got the carriage on them. I just love them. I just love them. I think these were gold plated at some point because I can see remnants of gold plating. But these look very old and well worn. So hopefully they can be passed on to somebody else to wear them. If you can see, they're very well worn. So yeah, I'm hoping that they can go to a home where somebody will use them. So yeah, those cufflinks I paid £2.50 for. So, and they were just in this box, but obviously it's not the original box. So that is my charity shop haul, basically. I think I found some good things. I liked, obviously, the first necklace with the Mifori beads in there, and Mifori beads, Italian glass beads, basically. I think probably I don't know if this is like someone's handmade this or whether this is, do you know what I mean? But I mean, this is wire put together at the bottom as well. It looks, you know, it looks professionally made. I'm not sure. But anyway, so my favourites are this necklace, obviously the silver gate bracelet, and these cufflinks, vintage cufflinks, and the carriage vintage cufflinks. Quite a few favourites, and this. I do love all of these. The only two that I'm not quite, I don't know, I overpaid for, like, these are probably only worth me paying £1 for, to be honest, is this necklace here. It is a sweet little necklace. And this necklace here as well, which I'm sure I can get my money back on those. And, you know, it's just taking them out the charity shop, getting them out there and rehomed so someone can wear them, because these pieces are like pieces you can wear every day, everyday little necklaces that you can wear to work or whatever. But yeah, let me know below what you liked from this haul and your favourite piece. I'll be interested to know what you liked. And I will see you in next week's video, which will be, I can't remember what it's going to be actually. I'm doing some batch filming. But anyway, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye-bye.